Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today I'm gonna review and look at Movavi free screen recorder, and without any further ado, let's get started. So in the Google search, I'm just gonna type on Movavi Screen Recorder. There you go. This is the website for movavi.com. I'm just gonna click here. There you go. This is the Movavi's website, and it is a nicely designed website. Alright, you can create screencasts, set a timer, show keystrokes of the mouse, draw on videos, record only audio, or capture your webcam. So this is basically what other screen recorders also offer to us. So I think this is pretty basic. Okay, and also there is a free version and you can buy a pro version as well. So first I'll look at the pro version. Alright, this is the pricing for Movavi's screen recorder pro version, and for one PC it's $34.95. It goes up to $94.95 for a video suite, and there are a bunch of features like screen recording, video editor, video converter, splitter, media player, and everything comes with this video suite. But if you look at the screen recorders of other plans, you've got only the recorder, not the video editor. So this is basically the plans that Movavi Screen Recorder offers. I think I'll just go check out the free version. Alright, I'm in the home page now. I'm just going to click on screen recording here. And I'm going to click on screen recorder for Windows. I personally use PepperCloud for my personal streaming and recording, because PepperCloud is a super awesome screen recorder which actually lets me to record my screen in real time and also stream with multiple social media websites. So I think PepperCloud is one of the best, and I personally suggest that you also use PepperCloud. I've included a link in the description. Please check it out, guys. Alright, I was just going to click on download for free. I just downloaded in the download section. Alright, I have downloaded the .exe file. I'm going to click on the .exe file now, and I'm going to hit and run. There you go, the recorder has started to install. You just have to click on accept all the terms of the license agreement, and then you're just going to click on install. Alright, let's click on start here. Okay, it opens up a page thanking us for installing Movavi. Just going to close it here, and there is a lot of other sign up features. Gives me a suggestion to install a pro version, which I am not interested yet. But you can see, guys, there is a little pop-up on the side screen here, which gives me an option to screen capture and record the screen as well. If you look at the bottom here, the Movavi Screen Recorder has started up here. So without any further ado, I'm gonna just click on the record button here. I'm gonna hit space. There you go. The entire screen has been selected. Alright, once it is done, we have got other few options here. So I'm just gonna click on the mouse options here, and if I click, I will get if I start clicking, and then I have an effect around that, and also how my mouse will be highlighted. Alright, I'm switching on those features, and I can also switch on the keyboard features so that all the keystrokes and keyboard shortcuts will be recorded. In case if I use some kind of a keyboard shortcut, it will again show up in my screen. That's pretty much it, guys. So once we have set it all up, I'm just gonna click on record here and see the trial version gives you a watermark which is not there in the full version. There you go, the recording has started and I started recording the screen. It is pretty much simple, guys. It's very easy to use, and the one thing that I would suggest for Movavi free version is that it should offer you more options like other video screen recorders. I think that is the only missing feature here. Alright, now I'm gonna talk about an interesting feature. I'm just gonna click on the pencil icon here. I can choose color red, right? And I'm gonna draw anywhere I want. I can annotate on the screen, guys. I can annotate wherever I want, right? So in case if I, this just goes away in a couple of minutes, I guess. Alright, so annotation feature is available. Alright, this looks pretty good, guys. Also, I'm gonna do a few clicks here and there to show you the recording features, and then I'm gonna press on few space buttons here, just in case to look at the keystrokes. Alright, I'm just gonna click on stop here. There you go. This shows me the recorded file, and it also shows me that the file is in the videos area. If I want, I could actually change this to another. I can actually change this to another folder. I think videos is good, so I can just click on the play and look at what has started, and I've started recording the screen. It is pretty much simple, guys. It's very easy to. Looks pretty good. So here I have an option to share it on WhatsApp, Telegram, email, YouTube, and Drive. This is also a good feature. And if you want to cut the video or edit the video, fragment it, I can do it here as well. So I think it's okay. So I just want to click on export, and it just says me that I'm using a 7-day trial version, and click on continue, and then it gives me an option to select the format to which it has to be recorded, and the resolution is fixed. You cannot set the resolution. I hope it comes in a pro version. I just click on save here. There you go, the recording has been saved successfully. So I just click on show in folder. There you go, there is my recording. It's pretty much simple, guys. Movavi works in a very simple way. I'm just gonna quickly check on the quality here. There you go, the recording has started, and I started recording the screen. It is pretty much simple, guys. It's very easy to use, and the one thing that I would suggest for Movavi. So I have the mouse highlighted here. Maybe I'll just go here. Annotation works well. Alright, so I'm just gonna this looks pretty good, guys. Also, I'm gonna do a few clicks here and there to show you the recording features, and then I'm gonna press on few space buttons here. The space button feature, the keystroke feature also works well. Keystrokes, right? Alright, I'm just gonna click on. So it works well, guys. The keystroke feature and the feature of mouse highlighting and mouse clicks also works perfectly. However, I'm not satisfied with Movavi Screen Recorder free version, because there are a lot of other screen recorders which offer much more in the free version. That is where Pepper Cloud comes into place, you guys. You can share in multiple platforms. You can go live in Facebook as well as YouTube, you know, in multiple platforms. You can stream it at the same time. The pricing is also very less compared to the other platforms. So, you know, even in the free version, you've got a lot of features that you can use in Pepper Cloud, guys. So I suggest you guys to go check it out at www.peppercloud.com. I've included a link in the description, guys. So guys, I think I have given you a brief overview of Movavi free screen recorder. There are a lot of other recorders which offer no watermarks, and it gives you up to recording time of 15 minutes. Take Loom for example. You know, you get 15 minutes of free recording time, but Movavi does not allow that. So that is a bummer, guys. So I think Movavi free screen recorder version has its own limitations, but the video quality is fantastic. The recording is fantastic. So with that, I'll end this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.